Good morning. It's day number 23. I cannot believe it. Um, yeah, where's the time gone? I'm wondering this year though if we'll all get the January blues, if it'll be any better or any worse. Then of course if you're working you still have to go to work, and if you're working in service industries, support, the NHS, kind of transport, you're still working over the festive period, but there's that blue Monday in January, isn't there? And I just wonder if it'll be the same, um, given that this year has been so upside down. But anyway, who knows what's going on. Yeah, I think I'm just getting a bit too comfortable being in my little kind of bubble. Being in the house all the time kind of suits me, suits my anxiety, suits my health conditions, but it's not any good for them. So I need to try and get out more, and yeah, hopefully by next summer I'll be able to go back to the office at least for part of the week. Yeah, I'm really am looking forward to that. But I was laughing because my son had said both my sons work in stores, retail stores, and he said he said people were coming in during pandemic and saying things like aren't you glad that you're kind of been able to work through the whole thing? And he was like, oh, do you know what, a couple of weeks sitting in my pajamas kind of being furloughed might not be might have been quite nice. But yeah, he was only joking. But I think there's a bit of, there's a sense that some people are having to go out to work, and there's a sense that some people are lucky and being able to stay at home. But I think there's a combination of both, and I think we will get back to some kind of, especially for office workers, I think we will get back to some kind of normality by next summer, hopefully. But I don't think people will go back to working in the office full time. And I think they'll work differently now that we've proven that we can do it. But it depends on productivity, I suppose, and the type of job that you do. But we need to remember the impact that will have on small businesses, local shops and things like that. So when I'm in the office, I won't be buying my lunch from um, the big supermarket. I'll try and go to the small kind of coffee shop or pick up a coffee. I don't go to Starbucks or Costa, really, that's not my bag at all. But I would go to like a wee local cafe and pick up a coffee to take into work, just trying to support them in that way when we do get back into the office. So that is my mission for 2021. And also supporting local businesses. I do quite a lot of that on Etsy, and there's a local lady that does bath bombs and things. So I'm kind of ordering bits and pieces like that for little gifts and stuff, and for myself, and trying to promote them on my channel. So yeah, Etsy's been like amazing for doing advent calendars for Freya and Lachlan, and Etsy was brilliant. So I managed to get Lego block soap. Just the best, actually. I was tempted to keep it myself. It smells so nice. So there's different smells and everything, but different shapes of blocks, and I thought Lachlan will really like that. And I got Freya a nice wee shower gel and her day. I tried to get the boxes for the two of them so that if there was chocolate in one, there was chocolate in the other. If Freya had her little makeup things, Lachlan had a wee kind of toy thing, just to try and keep the peace. Although one day it was hilarious. I don't know if I've mentioned this before. My sister said like hell broke out one morning, and she went down to see what was going on, and Lachlan had eaten Freya's advent calendar chocolate, but he replaced it with a cherry tomato. Thinking she wouldn't notice. She went absolutely mental. I like that, replacing it, not just eating it but replacing it. Anyway, day number 23, prattling on here. Day number 23, it's just because I'm excited. I don't know if I already said, the day doesn't bother me, I just love the build up. Day number 23. Oh, what is this? Line corrector booster serum. Now it's only small, but is it mighty? I'm looking forward to trying that because apply directly to lines and wrinkles every morning and evening. Now I used one by Bourjois, and it was amazing, and I kept saying you need to reorder it, and then suddenly they stopped selling in the UK, so I wasn't able to get it again. So I hope that's good, because I've been looking for an alternative, and I think my friend Julia B Beauty, she had told me about one that I've got on my list to order. So yes, so that's good, something new to try. I like that. So day number 23. There we go. Oh, it's another tube. Oh, it's a Vant. Oh, we usually get, we have received these in glossy box and look fantastic. Now, I've never seen this in the stores, however, it's extortionately priced. When you look it up on Look Fantastic website, this will be about 80 quid or something. So it's the Rose Quartz Hyaluronic Sweet Almond Avocado Oil Age Nutri Revive, and it's a revitalising and firming mask. Oh, so how do you use it? Put a thin layer on clean, dry skin, allow to absorb into the skin, and you don't wash it off. That is my type of mask. Now, right, okay, so we've got this mask, so you don't wash it off. But then, so you put it on clean, dry skin. So then do I just apply my skincare on top of that? Does anybody know? Because that's the bit that confuses me. So I put this mask on and I just leave it. But what about my serum? What about my hyaluronic acid? What about my moisturiser? What do I put them on, or do I just put this on? If anybody knows the answer, let me know, because sometimes I get a bit confused. I'm easily confused. So yeah, looking forward to trying that. So yep, stay tuned, and I'll see you tomorrow for day number 24, Christmas Eve. Bye bye.